lightning warning for until 3:30 p.m. Until 4 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles southwest of Stony Point to 8 nautical miles southwest of Woodland Beach, moving at 6:39. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near Stony Point and Woodland Beach around 2:10 p.m. Ship join shell light around 2:15 p.m. Sea breeze around 2:20 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.